Hi, my name is Joelle, and this is my van, Pompon. So this is the inside of my van. Here we have a swivel seat, the passenger swivel seat. And here I have my sofa, which is like also a bed. So I can swivel this and it becomes a bed for my friends. I have my lagoon table here. My lagoon table is actually as well. I can use it to put it in front when I driving, to put some food on it as well. Or if I'm eating with a friend, just like this, or if I want to write or eat just by myself, just here. And so here, this is where I keep most of my food. And here as well, all the dry food. And over here, that's like actually a really good spot to put the rest of my gear that doesn't fit in my garage as much. So yeah, here I have a really nice board, just like to remind me what I'm doing here, traveling in Canada, but like I want to travel all around the world still. And maybe one day, I don't know if it's gonna be with this van, but go all the way to Patagonia. So this is just a reminder, some good souvenir. So this is my kitchen, and this is a Dometic cooktop. For me, it was like really important to be able to cook while being able to look outside. So I have this, and here I can still like go outside. I have like just a little bit of space here. And so whenever, like if it's winter, I still have my window that I can look outside. And of course in summer, the door is completely open. And it's fantastic to be able to look outside while I'm cooking, cutting my vegetables or cooking here. Inside of here, I just have like some spices, some shoes down there, and some pot here. Yeah. And here I have my sink. Really nice having this, like, so then when I'm on the go and I just want to put something like in the sink, I can actually also put it here. Yeah, same for the dishes. In here, I do have like my little garbage bin like this. And here is actually a shower. So I can open this. This is like a removable counter here that I can remove completely, put it on the bed. And then I can put the curtain shower all the way up here. And I remove the banana bag here on the bed. Like, I'm not gonna show you because actually I don't really use it. But the idea is that I can use this, like this, as my shower. But yeah, I actually don't really use it. I use my outside shower most of the time. But yeah, that's an idea, to be able to, at least I'm able to take a shower inside my van if I really have to. And here we have the little hack that I love, that everyone should have, I think. So like for the cans here, it goes all the way to the back. And same here. This is like heavy storage, so like heavy cans, so I think it's like the best spot to put it. So I was sleeping in my Honda Fit most of the, like for a few summers, and sleeping next to my mountain bike. And when I was traveling, it was nice, but then always, like every time I was back home, I was like I need more space a little bit, like just for cooking or be more comfortable. So I bought a van that was already converted, and that worked for a little while. And then after 5 months, I just said, okay, I need to do like the big step. Like I'm gonna build my van for my needs and everything. And so here it is. So this is like my board. If I want to write like some things that I don't want to forget, or like a to-do list of my grocery shopping list. Those are like my board for that. Here I have my like banana rack, but it's also like you can put so many like vegetables anyway in the rack. Like not everything has to go in your fridge, not at all. And of course, like this could be banging, so it cannot be full, but or like really, really heavy. But yeah, I love it. still like, I have three. So yeah, I love it. And here I have my Nova Cool fridge. Oh yeah, sometimes it falls. But yeah, so I really like this size. Really small freezer, but here it's actually like, well, yeah, it's perfect size, I guess, for the van. And here I have some stuff for the kitchen. Same here. And yeah, and some more over here. And I think it's nice to have like different sizes, so you just find a spot for everything you have. So let's check out what's in the sofa. So here I just slide this out. So over here I have my electrical system. So I have all my batteries, and I lift some space so like it's not like the heat. I don't want to put any gear next to it, but on the two other opening, like it's pretty packed. I have a lot of stuff. So this is my bed area. The mat is from IKEA. It's a foam mat that I bought a double one, and I cut it just at exactly what I needed. And here obviously I have my surfboard. I didn't want to put anything outside the van. Yeah, I really wanted to be like subtle. So it's not too obvious that I actually sleep in my van. So all the gear is inside the van. I'm pretty proud about that, but yeah. So the surfboard is here. I sleep next to it 365 days, and I probably go surf like a week in the year, but it's worth it. Here I have like, I decided to not put any door. Actually, when I built the van, I did a mistake. And I wanted to have doors, but then, yeah, I did a mistake of the dimension, and I realized like, it's so cool to not have doors actually, like I prefer it this way. So here I have like my heater thermostat and my light switch. And over here, I have my switch for the water pump. I can see like my electric, like how I'm good on the battery. I have my dimmer light here. And I have something to control the hot water tank as well. So here actually I have a secret spot for storage. I just pull up my mat, and here I can slide this pretty easy. And here I have like some skateboard, some rollerblade, some helmets, yeah, some kind and at first I thought it would be like hard to pull up the mat, but it's super easy, as you see. Just recently I'm like, well, maybe eventually there's gonna be something else. But I love it so much to have my gear all the time with me. Like, I feel like even if there's something else, like a tiny house or something, like I'm still gonna want my van to, like I love finishing work and just go for a mountain bike ride, like to the trail right away. Doesn't have to go back like to my apartment or my house to go after to the trail. Like that's what I love the most about van lifing. Like I can just go wherever I want and have all the gear with me. So this is the outside of my van. It's a 2015 Sprinter van 170. And I installed a C.R. Lawrence window. I have solar panel of 310 watts. And I also have like 2 max air fan on the top. And so this is my garage. This is my favorite part of my van. This is the reason why I have a van. And so this is my headboard. I drew some stuff like with the burning pen, yeah, of some sports that I'm doing. And this is the water tank. I have a 120 liter of like potable, like drinking water, and including the hot water tank. The hot water tank is a Kuma, and it's working super well. Here I have my shower that I can just put this out and take a shower here. I have hot water in the back as well. My tank is stainless. We were like a few people wanting the same kind of tank, so we personalized one, but we were like a few to order, so it was a bit cheaper. Over there I have like more storage, like you saw it like under the bed, and over there I have like a little trap to have access of my water system, like my hot water tank and more stuff, yeah. here, the slide out bike rack. That was the top reason that I built my van. So like the two other reason was like I wanted to be able to cook while looking outside and having a fridge at my eye level. But this was the first reason. So it's easy to take my bike outside, like out of the rack here. Right now I'm actually like, we're changing season, so I still have like a snowboard here. But yeah, usually in the summer I would have like another bike of a friend here, or some climbing gear that I would put here. Right now my climbing gear is in the back over there. I have some kite surfing stuff there, my board, and I have like a lot of toys, just like a lot of playing balls here, all my camping gear as well, and some wetsuit as well, and yeah, a lot of toys to have fun in there. That's the garage. Some of them maybe think I'm crazy a bit, but like they know me and they just like super happy for me. But yeah, they know me, so they know like it's my lifestyle.